Hello, welcome to my Easy Statistics. In this video, I am going to discuss about hierarchical multiple regression. Hierarchical regression is a way to show if variables of our interest explain a statistical significance of variance on our dependent variable after accounting for all other variables. This is a framework for model comparison rather than a statistical method. In this framework, we built several regression models by adding variables to a previous model at each step. Our interest is to determine whether newly added variables show a significant improvement in R-square. In hierarchical regression analysis, we will enter variables blockwise in a predetermined order. Let us discuss this with the help of an example. Let us say we are interested in predicting factors impacting sales. And in this line of research, experience has been known as a predictor in addition to demographical variables like age. However, we would like to investigate if education could be an important predictor for sales. I have this example with me where we have sales is a dependent variable, age is a control variable, experience and education are independent variables. So first we will create a model where we have age as a control variable, and the second model will take experience because already it is known that experience also has impact on sales. And the third model we are going to take education. Now let's start the analysis. Analyze, regression, linear, and here first sales is a dependent variable. As we already discussed, hierarchical regression is also called as sequential regression, where we are going to enter the variables in a predetermined order. Now first we will take control variable age and enter in the first block as independent variable. We can enter number of variables, not only one, we can enter 2-3 variables also, but in this example I am taking age as only one variable in the block 1. Now click next. Now enter experience in the second block and click next, and in the third block I am entering education as a third block. Now each block will be treated as a model in the analysis. Now we need to do one setting, that in statistics, select this R-square change, click continue and click OK. And in the output, first we will see about the model summary. You can see we have 3 models. First model we have predictor as only age, and in the second model we have age and experience, and in the third model we have age, experience and education. So in the first model the R-square is 0.518, that is 51.8 percentage of variance is explained by age on sales. Now when we add experience, now experience where the R-square is 0.794, that is 79.4% of variance is explained by both age and experience. Now what is a change in R-square is 0.276, which is significant. Now in the third model, when we've added education, the R-square has become 0.843, that is 84.3% of variance has been explained by the age, experience and education. The R-square is 0.049, that is 4.9% of change has come when we've added education, and this is also significant. Now this hierarchical regression will help us in entering the variables in a hierarchical order, in a predetermined order, where we can enter the variables in a sequence. Like we want to enter education as the third variable. Now we are able to predict here how much variance has been explained by the education and is it significant or not. And in the hierarchical multiple regression analysis, apart from model summary, we can even check the ANOVA. And for each model you can see whether it is significant or not. Here in our case, for each model it is significant, and you can see the coefficients for each model. For all the independent variables you can see the coefficient values, and in our case we can see there is a significant impact of all the variables in the models. And I hope this video is useful for your research, please subscribe the channel, share the video and like the video. Thank you.